Blowing a Hard Grain by Juan Cabrera and Santiago Castaño. Rains are gonna fall, blowing in the wind. In the middle of 7 sad forests, he can see the sky. How many roads must a man walk down? Hard rains are gonna fall, sleeping in the sand beside a dead pony. One man who was wounded in love, allowed to be free. Another man who was wounded with hatred, he just doesn't see. How many times must the cannonballs fly? Heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. The answer, it's blowing in the wind, the sound of a clown who cried in the alley. Where the people are many and their hands are all empty, many people have died. 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. Before you call him a man, oh, what will you do now, my blue-eyed son? Before it is washed, the sea, oh, what will you do now, my darling young one? I'll stand on the ocean until I start sinking, a white dove sail, the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. The answer. The answer is blowing in the wind, where the home in the valley meets the damn dirty prison. Color man, a white man who walked a black dog. A room full of men with their hammers bleeding, and pretend that he just doesn't see. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. How many times can a man turn his head? How many times must a man look up? Heard one person starve, I heard many people laughing, before he can hear people cry. And it's hard, and it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. I've walked and I've crawled, that's what it take, it's hard, call him a man. Before they're forever banned, where hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten, can some people exist? I'll tell it before he can see the sky. The executioner's face is always well hidden, blowing in the wind. The sound of a thunder, it roared out a warning. Ears must one man have. Yet in how many years can a mountain exist? And reflected from the mountains, all souls can see it. Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? How many deaths will it take till he knows? I'm going back out for the rain starts falling. But I'll know my son well before I start singing. A young woman whose body was burning. And what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? How many years must one man have? Heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. Heard 100 drummers whose hands were ablazing, where black is the color, where none is a number. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. 10,000 suckers whose tongues were all broken before they're forever banned, where the pellets of poison are fluting through waters. How many years can some people exist? The depths of the deepest black forest, I saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. I saw a white ladder, all covered with water. I've stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I saw a black branch with blood that kept dripping. I've walked and I've crawled on 6 crooked highways. A newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. Oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Oh, where have you been, my darling young one? Oh, who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? Who did you meet, my darling young one?